Hey guys, I decided that I wanted to start a entrepreneur series. I've been in business for a year, some months now, and honestly I think I want to document and show behind the scenes of what I do, how I get products ready, maybe packaging orders and just stuff like that. My business is still very small, but yeah, I just wanted to I guess show you guys what I do. So today I am making a new product. It is the fall time now. Since I do have a regular job, I work around a lot of people, see lots of people, and I noticed that their lips are very chapped. It's not cute. It's not cute at all. I've been wanting to make this product for a while now, for some months, but I wasn't in the right situation financially, and now I am, and I was able to buy everything, and I feel like it's the perfect time now since it's now the fall, so it would definitely help people and people would benefit from it now. As you can see, I have some coconut oil and some sugar. So I'm gonna be making lip scrubs. I wanted to do an introduction, and then I'm actually gonna put the camera on the stuff so y'all can see the progress and everything. And if you're new here, my business is called Naya'Sbeautybar. Right now I sell lip gloss, vegan and cruelty free, and I sell mink lashes. They can be worn 25 times with proper care. So make sure y'all check my website out. We have a lot in stock. I think 2 of my glosses are currently sold out. If you guys would love to support me, click the link in the description box and you guys can shop, or you can wait until the end of the video and there'll be a picture probably of my lip glosses, and click that picture and it'll take you to my website. And make sure you use the code YTFAM for dollars off your order. So now let's get into the video. I bought some container type jars for the lip scrubs. As y'all can see, I haven't opened them yet, so I honestly don't know how they look or how big they really are. I decided to get the 20 pack because I didn't know how this is gonna do. I'm hoping that these sell, hoping that people are interested in buying these, because I don't want to, buy too many and people don't buy them. Okay, so this is a decent size. So this is the size of the container, and this is how the top looks. So yeah, this is a pretty good size. I'm not sure what the price will be so far. It's not going to be, very expensive. So what I'm going to do is clean these out real quick. And then I'm going to come back if we can go ahead and get this progress started. All right, so I guess I'm gonna start off with strawberry. Let me get out my red food coloring. I have 20 containers in 5 different flavors. Okay, so I got the sugar. Boom, got that. Now I'm going to take my vitamin E oil and pour some of that into here. Just a couple drops. Oh, okay, I didn't mean to pour that much. And now I'm gonna take the flavoring. Y'all, this smells so good. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do is mix it together. So I definitely feel like this is a good amount of lip scrub. This should definitely last for a good little minute. So this is how the lip scrub looks. Y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got my 4 strawberry lip scrubs done. Filled to the tippity top. So now I'm gonna put these over here, set these to the side. I think I want to do grape. Y'all, look at how pretty this purple is. I really hope that y'all like this video. Y'all enjoy seeing me make my stuff for my business. You know, real businesswoman out here. And I hope that y'all are interested in these lip scrubs. Because y'all, they smell so good. Like, I just want to sit here and eat this. Boom, there we go, look. Got this pretty purple color. Alright, so now y'all, we are moving on to pineapple. I just want y'all to know, I was not trying to pour that much. I really wasn't. Okay, we need yellow, not orange. What are you doing? Well, it definitely smells like pineapple. Okay, so now I'm going to do blueberry. Oh, this blue looks so pretty. So now we're on to the last one, which is orange. the lip scrubs look. So this is obviously blueberry, and this one is orange. I actually like how they look. This is cute. I think that this is a good size. You can use to exfoliate your lips and get them nice and moisturized. So I forgot to make an outro. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all shop with me. And on the screen right now is a review. I already got one lip scrub sold. So yeah, make sure y'all shop.